Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Preety and today I am here with my bridal wear for large size. I already uploaded a shot of it, but in this I am showing all details which I used in it. So in lehanga I used some of motifs for enhance its beauty. As you can see here, I break it in 7 parts. Now I am going to explain all motifs used in it starting from the waist. In first partition I applied all over floral golden print in PNG format, background filled with red color which is really looking beautiful. In second partition I cut a strip where I filled golden shimmer image. This lehanga skirt also divided into 28 goals, that is color of the skirt. As you can see here, I used floral designs with motifs of flowers and leaves and also jali which comprises of geometrical pattern. This image also in PNG format and background filled with the same red color. And again I cut another strip which also filled with golden shimmer image. In next I used golden floral motif with white outline as its upper border and golden wire work with same red background in the entire core. And again cut a strip of golden shimmer. In the last or seventh partition of the skirt, which is border of the lehanga skirt, filled with golden petal leaf embroidery motif or pan motif with jali work, which is also in PNG format, and in the background I filled red color as the entire skirt. Now the belt of the lehanga skirt, I used a very beautiful motif of golden shimmer filled flower in the PNG format and as the background same with red color. I also used a latkan. In the blouse I applied same all over golden floral print which I used in the first partition of the lehanga skirt. The sleeve as well I used the same print. She having two dupattas, one of is velvet and other is in organza. So in velvet dupatta I made it of red color and used golden polka dots. In the border I attached golden fringes lace in two sides and another two sides I joined the same betel leaf golden motif as in skirt border. In organza dupatta I attached a lace of two types of pearls, one is golden and another is white small size. And the dupatta is sprinkled by mirror embroidery work and filled with off-white color. Styled her with beautiful long neck piece, mang tika, heavy golden bridal necklace, long earrings and amazing chura set. This is my final look which I got in 3D worksheet. I also applied embroidery work in her heels with red base color and mehndi on her hands. I also did her makeup with blush, bindi, eye makeup and lipstick. I made a bun in hairstyle and tucked the organza dupatta on her bun of the hair. So this was my today's video. I tried my best to detail my design for large size bridal wear. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, subscribe and also press the bell icon which you can get instant notification of my new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care. Keep watching. Keep loving.